Welcome! Today we're diving into a simple and effective way to copy a document link in Google Drive. Whether you're sharing templates, notes, or any important files, knowing how to create a shareable link is essential. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the document you want to share. This could be anything from a report to a presentation. When you find your document, look for the three dots located next to it. These dots represent additional options for that file. Now, click on those three dots. A menu will pop up, revealing several choices related to the document. Here, you will see an option labeled Copy Link. This is the key step that allows you to share your document easily. After selecting Copy Link, the link will be copied to your clipboard. However, it's important to ensure that the link settings are correct, so that anyone with the link can access the document. To do this, click on the Share button at the top right corner of your screen. In the sharing settings, you'll want to adjust who can view the document. Make sure it's set to Anyone with the link can view. This setting allows others to access your document without needing permission. Once you've confirmed that the settings are correct, return to where you copied the link. You can now paste this link wherever you need, be it in an email, a message, or on social media. When someone clicks on this link, they will be directed straight to your document. If you want to make it even easier for others to create their own copy of your document, consider modifying the link slightly. After pasting it into a text editor, look for the part of the URL that says /edit USP equals sharing. Replace /edit with /copy. This adjustment prompts anyone who clicks on the link to make a copy of your document directly into their Google Drive. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, opening Google Drive, finding your document, copying the link, adjusting sharing settings, and modifying the URL, you can easily share documents while ensuring others can create their own copies. Happy sharing!